Hi guys. So for my throne, I'm going to show you guys that I drew half of it, and I have a sheet of tracing paper for it. Tracing paper is amazing. It cuts half the work. So what I'm going to do right here is I've already drawn it. So I'm just going to go back over it like this, and only half that I drew. Okay. Just like this. Okay, I'm gonna kind of rotate this. You guys can always speed up the video. Oops, yeah, close enough. Okay. Because you want your throne to be a little ornate, add some colors to it. I think part of the rubric, I'm gonna have you guys have to have multiple colors, so 2 to 3 minimum. We're gonna go down like this. Okay. You know, since I kind of messed up on this one and my paper got ripped, I might just draw like this, and then I can always fix this later, and I can transfer both of these at the same time. I do not have to do it. And again, I only really have to draw half. I do not have to draw the whole thing because I'm going to save myself some time. I will come back to that one. Okay. And then, because what's cool about tracing paper is I don't have to redraw, get frustrated, because I do not want you guys to get frustrated. All right, I might just do this for right now, but that's basically it. So now what I would do, okay, see, I would take, you can rip it off, that's what happens, okay. Now you're gonna flip it over, you're gonna line it up as best as you can. I think I'm gonna line it up right there. Try to keep the edges lined up on the paper because that'll make it much neater and just more symmetrical and more aligned. We'll go right there. I'm just gonna kind of go like that, all right? A lot of times, see? If you do one edge, you kind of want to tape it just because it helps, okay? And then this kind of got, so I'm just gonna kind of rip it off, whatever. So now that I've done that, I can always, see, I should have lined it up better. There we go. Okay, it doesn't matter how messy you are, because guess what? And I probably will redo this whole chair for you guys. Okay. But what's cool about the chair is if you do not feel comfortable with 1-point perspective, well, there's shortcuts, honey. You do not have to work hard or get frustrated. See? Look at this. See how much faster this is? And you kind of want to line it up a little bit. And whatever doesn't line up perfect, we will, see right there? We can always go back. Okay. Show you. And I'll probably, more than likely, I'm gonna redo this whole chair. All right, and then I'm gonna line that up. All right, and then this one, if I want, I could just kind of go like that. Oh, whatever, maybe it's supposed to be more like that. There we go. All right, now look. Bam. It's all drawn in, and then it's lightly drawn in, but I can always go back over a pen, and it's done. Okay? Think smarter, not harder.